File loading performance. Welcome to this exciting demonstration of how version 16 revolutionizes file loading performance. If you work with large CAD files, this update is a game changer. Let's dive into the details and see how much faster your workflow can be. The need for speed. Version 16 introduces a breakthrough in file loading speeds, achieving up to 22 times faster performance for large files containing thousands of entities. This enhancement is designed to streamline workflows, reduce wait times, and boost productivity. Old versus new, a dramatic difference. Loading large files was a time-consuming process, often taking several minutes. During this time, users were left waiting as the software processed the data. The same large file now loads in just seconds, making the process nearly instantaneous. This dramatic improvement ensures that you can start working on your designs almost immediately. Why this matters. No more staring at progress bars or twiddling your thumbs. With version 16, you can focus on what matters, designing. Reduced loading times mean you can iterate faster, make changes on the fly, and meet tight deadlines without frustration. Smoother transitions and quicker access to your files create a seamless and enjoyable design experience. Unlock your potential. Whether you're working on intricate architectural models, complex assemblies, or detailed mechanical designs, version 16 empowers you to handle large files with ease. This performance boost isn't just about speed. It's about transforming the way you work, giving you more time to innovate and create. Conclusion. Version 16 delivers unparalleled file loading performance, reducing wait times by up to 22 times for large files. This enhancement ensures smoother workflows, increased productivity, and a better overall user experience. Upgrade to version 16 today and experience the future of CAD file handling. Don't let slow loading times hold you back. Unlock your full potential with this groundbreaking update. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge CAD features. Happy designing!